Friends, if you also have an Oppo company phone and you want to unlock it, then watch this video till the end. In this video, we have told you how you can unlock any Oppo phone, that too without data loss. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to Emergency Call or Emergency SRs, and after that you have to open the dialer pad. After opening the dialer pad, you have to enter E813AIs, and after that call it 5 times. After calling, you have to dial 8999As. After dialing this, a page will open in front of you, which we also call After Sale page or Engineer mode. Now here you have to find Manual Test. You have to tap on Manual Test, and as soon as you tap, a page will open in front of you. In this, you have to go to the second option, which is Device Debugging. Now here you have to go to Sensor Self-Test Collaboration. Here, whatever option you see, you have to tap on all of them. If any one sensor passes, then your work will be done. Now go back from this page. After going back, you have to go to the last option. I will get the option of Other. Here you will find Reset at the bottom. If this option is passed, you can go back from here. After this, you have to click on Key Status. Let's click on Key Status. Here you will see the option of Close. If all the options are passed and are in green color, then understand that your work is done and your phone is 100% unlocked. Now to verify this, we will go back from this option. After going back, we will go back again, and this time we will go back one more time. Now, as soon as you go back, here you may get the option of Close. So as soon as we close it, our Oppo phone is unlocked.